Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today we'll be discussing how to set the print area in Excel for fast, efficient printing. Stick around and learn how to print any part of your sheet with ease. Let's get started. To print a specific selection of cells from an Excel spreadsheet, begin by selecting the desired area with your mouse cursor. Now we want to go to the Page Layout tab, then click on Print Area. Select the option Set Print Area from the drop-down menu. To view how the selected area is divided up onto pages, go to the View tab at the top and click on Page Break Preview. In our sheet, there are 3 pages of data, and if this does not work for you, we can make adjustments to make the data more accessible. If we need to include the June figures on the first page, we can simply drag and drop the blue line, separating the data for June to the top of the page. The same can be done for any other dividing lines. You have the ability to alter the page orientation also. To adjust the orientation of your document, navigate to the Page Layout tab and select either Portrait or Landscape, whichever is preferable for your needs. Let's choose the Landscape option here. If we access the File option at the top of the page and select Print, we can view a print preview of the document. The preview should accurately reflect the document's desired appearance when printed. Now, let's explore a couple of helpful techniques, such as how to add additional cells containing data to the designated print area. Let's navigate back to the normal view by clicking on the arrow in the top left corner and then selecting the button at the bottom right. Before we begin learning how to add cells to the print area, it is important to remember that the last row of the current print area is 24. If we need to increase the number of rows in the selected area, we can only do so by adding rows that are directly below the last row. This means we can extend the current print area by adding rows 25, 26, and so on. If the data that was initially chosen and the data that was added afterwards are not located next to each other, then Excel will create a new print area to include both. We will choose the 5 rows that are directly next to each other, from row 25 to row 29, to increase the size of the area to be printed. Let's now open the Page Layout tab, click on Print Area, and select Add to Print Area. Click on it to complete the task. To view the expanded print area, click on the File tab and then select Print from the drop-down menu. Additionally, there is more in store for today. If necessary, you can set up your data to have certain rows or columns repeated. For example, the column containing the names is present on the first page but not on the second page. This can make it difficult to interpret the data. To fix this issue, simply click on the arrow that leads back to the data table. Then select the Page Layout tab and click Print Titles. When you open the window, you will have the option to choose either to repeat the rows at the top of the page or to repeat the columns to the left of the page. To repeat the column with names, click on this option, select column A and press OK to confirm the selection. And now this column will be repeated. When we view the print preview, we can see that the column containing names is visible on both pages. This makes it much simpler to read the data. When you have configured the settings, click Print to print only the required section of the data table. Before we finish today, it is important to remember that when setting a print area, there are some things to keep in mind. If you save the workbook now, the range of cells you have designated as the print area will be saved along with the workbook. So, the document will remember the area you print, so you can print the same area every time you open it. To remove the set print area, click on the arrow in the top left corner, then select the Page Layout tab. Click on Print Area and select Clear Print Area. Now, you have the ability to print out the entire sheet. To learn how to add a header or footer to your Excel worksheet, check out the videos from Sheet Leveler. You'll find the links to these tutorials in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch more video tutorials from Sheet Leveler. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.